Hello guys, welcome to today's market analysis. So now we are going to check about the new market opportunities one by one. However, before that we first need to look out we first need to look out the major economic news. Or what are the news available? So first we need to check about the major important news. So today Tuesday we don't have much more important news. So 10-year note action is there, but won't give much more impact. So tomorrow we have a crude oil inventories and Fed interest rate decision. So that will be a tensioned, stressful uh, deal for US. I think tomorrow USD might have a lot of chances to get weaker. You can see the US dollar is getting weaker already. So it's better to wait and see how the market is going to react. So don't take kind of serious trades at the moment because the markets are more volatile. So just wait and see. On Thursday we have a FOMC press conference. FOMC press conference and DOE interest rate a pound. We have a DOE interest rate decision. So US news is there by tomorrow. So I need to be careful dealing with US news. So let's wait and see. Euro USD trying to move up and down. It is just simply consolidating. Nothing else. Market is simply consolidating. Euro USD is simply consolidating between high and low. So if it breaks the high, then we can expect more upward movement. But if it breaks a low, we can expect only small move. Maybe one more down is possible on Euro USD. And Pound USD is trying to only move up. Pound USD is simply trying to move up. Be up. I think it will move up. Continuous. I think Pound USD will rise and reach the target very soon. It will reach the targets very soon, I think. Pound. So Pound USD tried to break the high. Just rebound from the support level. So I think Pound USD might have chance to retest, and then it could have chance to move up once again. But let's wait and see. I'm not sure about it. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is just trying to move up and down. It's just consolidating. USD yen, as I said, there's a lot of chances to move down. Just broke this level. I think USD yen will move down more. Hmm. So USD yen will reach this kind of point. I think it will move down more. It will fall more. Silver, I think silver is going to. It's also consolidating. It's just moving in a range, so I'm not sure about the silver because it is all moving in a range. USD Swiss franc, also I'm not sure. Next, if I look out any of the pairs, USD Canadian. USD Canadian is quite. It is just simply consolidating. I think USD Canadian will fall more. USD Canadian will fall more. Australia Canadian. Australia Canadian, I'm not sure, but it hits the resistance and trying to move down. It might have a chance to move down. I'm not sure about Australian Canadian dollar. Oh, pound out, you can see. From the support, it just rises up. However, it is at the retest area now, so I think pound out is also good to. Mm, the higher time frame, it looks like it has chances to move up. But if you look at the lower time frame, pound Australian dollar try to retest. It is at the retest area, so so pound out might have chances to fall. Pound out might have chances to fall just by seeing this retest zone. But however, you should have to go for it. Pound out. Oh, pound Canadian trying to move up. Mm, as I said earlier, pound Canadian, pound out. These are all moving in the same way because of the pound, the common pound. Pound Canadian will move up. I think Euro Canadian have chances to move down. I believe. Yes. Euro Canadian whenever it retests this area, I think it's just trying to move down. So Euro Canadian have a lot of chances to move down. And if I look at this pair, I think Euro Canadian is good enough. Might have chance to move at least just another 1,000 points. It is possible to move on. However, it hits the resistance. I agree that it hits the resistance, but still we can expect a downward movement on Euro CAD. But I'm not sure about how well it can move down. Euro CAD. Need to wait and see how far we can go. Euro pound at the retest area. I think it is exactly at the retest area. So I believe Euro pound is also good to. If you ask me whether it's good to buy or sell, I could say, yeah, it's good to buy. But I need to wait for the confirmation. Euro pound, Euro New Zealand is also trying to move down. Euro New Zealand. Mm, I think Euro New Zealand will move full fall because it is just consolidating as a support. Soon it will break the support and it will fall more. Pound New Zealand is completely opposite because of pound. I think only due to pound. Pound seems to be. Pound out, pound New Zealand, all in the same kind of movement. All trying to make the same kind of movement. USDN is also trying to move down continuously. I think it will break it. It will break this bottom very soon. Yeah, it will break this bottom very, very soon. Bitcoin, still keep buying, even if it fall more, just keep buying. Euro, USD, again, I'm not sure about USD because it is just simply consolidating. I think gold have a lot of chances to only up. So gold is moving only up. So how far it will move? That's the next question we all have. So if you look at gold, just broke the support and it is trying to move up continuously. 3426 or 30. That was the next level for a gold. That is the next level. So we need to wait and see how far the gold can move up. Australian USD is also trying to move up. Mm, Canadian JPY, it is exactly at the consolidation level. I think Canadian JPY gives us double confirmation for buying. I think Canadian JPY. It gives me better double confirmation to buy. ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀನು ಅದೇ ಪಿಲ್ಲಾಗಿಂದು ಕೇಳು ನೀ ಬರೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ ರೋಡಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ So gold is going to move up anyway. So keep buying gold. It doesn't matter how far it can move, it will always keep moving up. Gold will always move up. Keep buying gold. So gold, the next destination of the gold is around 3420 or 3430. Here we can expect some correction. So gold, so if you look at the gold, it is always trying to move up anyway. Buy gold, nothing else. Gold will give you better profits in a short time, but also have a good risk. So if you don't like a risk, then don't come to gold. If you love the risk, if you love to take the risk, then gold is the best asset to trade right now at this moment, because this is the pair where we can see a lot of high volatile movements happening on gold. Let's see the next set of pairs, which is Euro Swiss franc. If you see, it's just moving down. It's just moving in a descending channel. And pound Swiss franc, it tried to rebound again because pound has got strong. Pound becomes so strong. Canadian Swiss franc also trying to move only up. USD Canadian trying to move down. Australia New Zealand. Today it is trying to make some correction. Australia New Zealand. USD JPY looks like it is trying to move down continuously. Australian JPY hits the low. So if you all look at the higher time frame, Australian JPY have a chance to move down. Wow, Swiss franc JPY just fell down a lot. 1,500 points. So huge. Huge and big mover. And Canadian JPY, it's still in fall. But I still have a doubt on Canadian JPY. Either it can move up or not. I'm not sure. Canadian JPY, if I look at the higher time frame, it looks like Canadian JPY will fall more and it will reach this, it will break, I think. Moreover, it will break this low. So I believe these kind of things will happen on Canadian JPY. Most probably it has a chance to break the low level. because all the JPY pair trying to move down, so Canadian JPY is not an exception. So Canadian JPY also have a chance to move down continuously. So gold, gold just moving on its own. So it's just moving a consolidation zone, I think. So Euro AUD, if I look at Euro AUD, it all looks like it's all simply trying to move up. Not if it breaks. Bitcoin try to move down, just trying to move down. Australian JPY is also good to sell. I think AUD JPY is good to sell. So I look at this very high, it's not very good to sell. Canadian JPY will fall more. So let's say if we try to reach this level, Canadian JPY is good. Not so good as you think. Canadian JPY is simply falling down continuously. Not even like this or that. It is just simply falling down continuously. So I think Canadian JPY might have a chance to retest this area. Silver, I think it will move up continuous. No matter whatever you say, I think silver price will move up for sure. But I don't still believe on silver because of those price levels. Gold is near to the high. If you look at the gold is near to the high. Found out, I'm not sure. So because it's not really So pound JPY, it's trying to what? I believe silver will move up, but I could not say that exactly because of silver long-term analysis and the smaller time frame view. So it is in a lower high area. So if it will fall more. That's the reason. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else is stopping me to buy silver. Silver also good to buy. Following the gold, silver also you can buy. Euro pound, Bitcoin. So according to me, all the pairs are still in a kind of testing for retest or back end or retest.